Every single 7 days on YouTube, a new person becomes a millionaire. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing a video on how many people does YouTube make a millionaire. Now this could be taken a couple of ways. You could say that they made themselves a millionaire, or YouTube made a millionaire. In reality, it doesn't really matter. They've become a millionaire from YouTube. And I'm going to break down just how many people are really becoming rich from YouTube and how extreme it is that anybody can do it as well. So I'm going to show you all the statistics, and you're going to be really mind blown because not many people tell you this. I mean, it's open to the public, so I'm just going to break down easier for you guys to see and understand how many people are really getting rich from YouTube. So in the last 30 days on YouTube, okay, how many people became rich? Now when I'm saying rich, I mean making a lump sum of money super quick, and it's kind of being classed as rich, okay? Not millionaire, just rich. There is over 500 to 1,000 people within the last 30 days who have made thousands, if not millions. And I'm about to tell you exactly how many people have done it, and it is just insane, okay? So out of those 500 to 1,000 people, 70 of those people have made over $500,000 in 30 days. 70 people in the last 30 days have made over $500,000. Now this is just rough estimates, okay? But this is pretty accurate from Social Blade, from all the ones it shows you. But over 70 of those people have made over $500,000. 25 of those 500 to 1,000 people have made over $1 million. So 25 people in the last 30 days have made over $1 million from YouTube. I know it's hard to believe, but the statistics are all there. It is absolutely insane. Every single 30 days, there's 25 people minimum making over $1 million, which is just mind-boggling. And it is insane. But the thing is anybody can do this as well, guys. It's not just lucky people. There's people on this list which can make videos just like you. So, how many channels have become millionaires on the whole of YouTube? Now, this is a really hard one to try and like moggle down to, you know, how many people actually have become a millionaire, because you've got other things like brand deals, sponsorships, but I'm specifically on about views right now. I'm not on about other sources of income such as merchandise or sponsorships or anything like that. I'm just on about views, and Social Blade only shows you 500 people. So I've calculated the gaps between how many channels there are and how many views they get in, and I've estimated lifetime millionaires from YouTube is 100,000 people from just views. 100,000 channels on the whole of YouTube have become a millionaire. Now, like I said, this is purely from views. It's not to do with anything else. Like, there's millionaires from just merchandise, literally. But 100,000 channels have become millionaires in the lifetime of YouTube from YouTube views. Now, this number's increasing every single day. I know it seems quite little compared to how many channels there are in lifetime, but most of these have all kind of become millionaires within the last like 3 or 4 years. So, you know, you think YouTube's been around for multiple years. It's only really the last 4 years that these channels have actually made that million. So the list is going up. But averagely, over 100,000 people have become a millionaire from YouTube lifetime. The fun thing is, and I love seeing things like this, is a channel literally blows up every single day on YouTube. Every day. Every 24 hours, there's a new person who comes along and blows their channel up. And I don't just mean getting a couple of thousand subscribers. I mean literally going viral. Like, I'm talking hundreds of millions of views in the matter of weeks. Just overnight, making millions and millions of dollars. And that happens every single day in different niches. Every single day, people are becoming millionaires from YouTube. And it's becoming more and more frequent, more and more often. And there's really no cap on how many people can do it, because there's so many people watching these videos and so many niches, which I explain in other videos, which is just insane. So, how many people have become a millionaire in the last 3 days? Okay, not last month, not lifetime, not 7 days. 3 days. How many people made over $1 million in 3 days? You're gonna think this like number is really low, but reality is, if you think about it logically, every single 3 days, every 72 hours, there's people making $1 million, okay? And there is over 10 people who've made over $1 million in the last 3 days, and make $1 million every 3 days from just YouTube views. I'm going to show you a screenshot here. This is averagely making $1 million. You know, their CPM can be higher or lower, but on average, they're making upwards of $1 million every 3 days on YouTube, which is just insane. Like, that is... I can't even put into words how amazing that is and how much they should feel so happy about that. You know, it's no better feeling than working hard and if things just paying off like that. That is great. And I'm confident that they're making millions more from brand deals, sponsorships, merchandise, stores, all that good stuff. It is really that crazy, guys. Like, I know you are wondering how they've done it, and it's not that hard. Most of these channels are kids channels, to be honest. There are a few in there which are not kids channels, but I've made multiple videos on this before of how these guys are getting so many views in these niches. All the links are down in the description, guys. I've covered practically every single niche by now of how to get views, and I'm going to be covering more and more niches will come up which you can get into and really kind of milk the niche, so to speak, and cash in from it, make it rain from money from certain niches. So now I've told you how many people are becoming millionaires from YouTube. What's the next step? You can either go away from this video and think, wow, lucky people, or you can take action and start doing it yourself. Now, like I said, do not let that discourage you thinking, oh, they just got lucky. In the last 3 days, 10 people got lucky. No, these people have worked really hard for it and they deserve everything they get. However, there's one thing that people overlook is luck, and I've seen so many comments saying, how do you get views? How do you go viral? What do you need to do? How can you compete with these guys? Honestly, YouTube is a platform where it is open to everybody, right? And the most important thing on going viral on YouTube, and I say this to everyone I speak to, is consistency. You need to be 100% consistent every single day in a certain niche. No breaks, constantly, mind on the money. If you're thinking it from a money perspective anyway, if you're doing it for fun, then go for it. But if you're thinking about money, mind on the money, every single day, consistency is key. Keep pumping out those videos, because you don't know which one's gonna go viral. And trust me, from my experience, as soon as one video, only takes one video to blow up, all of your videos blow up, you get into a new sort of algorithm, and your channel just blows up, and it goes up and up and up and up and up. And it is literally as simple as that. So you can either go away from this video thinking, okay, they got lucky, good to them, or you can go away from this video and really do some research, okay? Do some research, watch my other videos down below of how you can do the same, and go that way and start doing it yourself. There's no reason why you can't do it yourself. Like I said, there's thousands of people making millions every single month, or becoming rich, so to speak, and there's no reason why that can't be you. You know, if there's 10 people every 3 days making $1 million, that is the potential. That isn't a limit. There's no limit to how many views you can get on YouTube. You can get more than them. The world's population is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. YouTube views are only going to become bigger and bigger and bigger. YouTube's growing every single day, which means more views can come in, which means more money, which means unlimited potential. Every single day, there is more potential in getting viral on YouTube and making so much money that you don't know what to do with it. And guys, like I said before, check out the videos in the description. I really encourage you to do it because you're gonna love them. You're gonna find so much information from them. I'm getting so many positive replies from you guys saying how it's helped you, how it's informational, and honestly, from a personal perspective, that's great to hear. That's why I continue to make these videos, because if you guys are finding information from them and finding them valuable, I'm gonna keep doing them. I'm gonna keep pumping them out. And we're all here, assuming we're all here to make money, so let's stay with that motto. Remember what I said before though, guys, in the previous video: work smarter, not harder. Do not go out and work super hard and get zero results. That is the disaster what people fall into sometimes. They think that they post more videos all the time, constantly, they're going to get more views. It doesn't work like that. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and when you do that, you will get results. And I am going to be making a video very soon of how specifically to get views and how to grow from zero, so stay tuned for that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below, let me know your thoughts down below on these statistics, and until the next video, take care. Thanks for watching.